Hello everyone and welcome back to Farm Pro. I'm so happy to have you here today. You know how much I love my garden. It's such a rewarding feeling to grow your own fresh ingredients. And today we're going to explore a truly fascinating way to enhance your urban gardens and bring a touch of ancient wisdom to your backyard. We're diving into the world of Ayurveda. This ancient Indian practice emphasizes the harmony between mind, body, and nature. And what better way to embrace this philosophy than by growing your own Ayurvedic herbs right at home, even if you have limited space. Get ready to transform your urban garden into a sanctuary of wellness with these 5 incredible herbs that are not only easy to grow but also packed with health benefits. Let's get started. First on our list is Tulsi, also known as holy basil. This plant is not just any herb, it is often referred to as the queen of herbs, due to its numerous health benefits and its revered status in various cultures, especially in India. Now, this is not your ordinary basil. While it may look similar to the basil you use in your pasta dishes, Tulsi has a unique set of properties that set it apart. This revered herb, with its beautiful green leaves, holds a special place in Ayurveda. Its leaves are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also packed with essential oils and nutrients that contribute to its medicinal properties. It's believed to possess a spiritual aura, often grown near sacred spaces. In many Indian households, you will find Tulsi plants placed in the courtyard or near the entrance, symbolizing purity and well-being. But don't let that intimidate you. Tulsi is surprisingly easy to grow, even in a small pot on your windowsill. Whether you live in a sprawling house or a compact apartment, you can enjoy the benefits of this versatile plant. Just imagine stepping out to your urban garden and being greeted by the sweet, uplifting aroma of Tulsi. It's truly invigorating. The scent alone can lift your spirits and provide a sense of calm and relaxation. And the best part? Tulsi is known for its remarkable ability to combat stress. In today's fast-paced world, having a natural stress reliever at your fingertips can be a game changer. In Ayurveda, it's considered a powerful adaptogen, helping your body cope with everyday stressors. Adaptogens are unique in that they help balance the body's systems, making it easier to handle both physical and emotional stress. Think of it as a little helper for your nervous system. Regular consumption of Tulsi can help you feel more balanced and less overwhelmed by the challenges of daily life. And if you're feeling under the weather, a cup of Tulsi tea can work wonders. The tea is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and other compounds that support your immune system. It's known for its immune-boosting properties, helping you ward off those pesky colds. Drinking Tulsi tea regularly can be a simple yet effective way to maintain your health. Now let's talk about how to care for your Tulsi plant. Proper care ensures that your plant remains healthy and continues to provide you with its numerous benefits. It thrives in warm, sunny spots, so make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. Tulsi loves the sun, and placing it in a bright location will help it grow strong and vibrant. Keep the soil moist but well drained, and you'll have a thriving Tulsi plant in no time. Overwatering can be detrimental, so it's important to find the right balance. You can use the fresh leaves to make a soothing cup of tea, add them to your stir-fries for a burst of flavor, or even dry them for later use. The versatility of Tulsi makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Trust me, once you experience the magic of Tulsi, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Its benefits are numerous, and its presence in your home can bring a sense of peace and well-being that is truly priceless. Next up, we have Ashwagandha, a true superstar in the world of Ayurveda. This incredible herb has been used for centuries to promote vitality and longevity. And let me tell you, it's a lifesaver in today's fast-paced world. Ashwagandha is like a warm hug for your adrenal glands, helping your body cope with stress and anxiety. It's a natural way to find a sense of calm amidst the chaos of city life. Now you might be thinking, can I really grow ashwagandha in my small urban garden? And the answer is a resounding yes. While it prefers warm climates, you can easily grow it in pots and bring it indoors during colder months. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Imagine stepping out to your urban oasis and harvesting fresh ashwagandha. You can dry the roots and grind them into a powder to add to smoothies, or simply enjoy it as a relaxing tea before bedtime. It's a wonderful way to unwind after a long day and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. And the best part? You've grown it all yourself. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a powerful adaptogen. Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress, and exert a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. This means that ashwagandha can help balance your hormones and support your immune system. It's not just about stress relief, it's about overall well-being. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can improve brain function, lower blood sugar and cortisol levels, and help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's like having a multi-purpose tool in your wellness toolkit. So whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your mood, or simply find a natural way to relax, ashwagandha has got you covered. And the best part is, it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you choose to grow it yourself or buy it from a trusted source, ashwagandha is a versatile and valuable addition to your wellness journey. So why not give it a try and see how this ancient herb can enhance your modern life? Now let's talk about Brahmi, also known as bacopa. This incredible herb is like a tonic for your brain. In Ayurveda, Brahmi is revered for its ability to enhance memory, improve focus, and promote cognitive function. Whether you're a student facing exams, a professional navigating a demanding career, or simply want to keep your mind sharp as a tack, Brahmi is your go-to herb. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to grow, even in small containers. Imagine having a constant supply of this memory-boosting herb right at your fingertips. Brahmi thrives in moist soil and partial shade, making it ideal for urban gardens with limited sunlight. You can add fresh Brahmi leaves to your salads for a nutritional punch, make a revitalizing tea, or even incorporate it into your favorite smoothies. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your brain health and enhance your cognitive abilities. Next on our list is Neem, a true powerhouse of an herb. This remarkable tree has been revered for centuries in various cultures for its myriad of uses and benefits. You might have heard of neem oil, which is derived from the seeds of this incredible plant. Neem oil is widely used in agriculture, cosmetics, and even in traditional medicine. Neem is renowned for its potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a staple in traditional medicine. Its leaves, bark, and seeds are all utilized in various forms to treat a range of ailments. And the good news is, you can easily grow this beneficial tree right in your urban garden. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, neem can thrive in various settings. Neem is a hardy plant that can tolerate a wide range of conditions. It can withstand drought, poor soil, and even some frost, making it an ideal choice for many gardeners. It prefers well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. However, it can also adapt to less than ideal conditions, showcasing its resilience and versatility. Now let's talk about its incredible benefits. Neem is not just a pretty tree, it offers a plethora of advantages for both your garden and your health. Neem is a natural insect repellent, keeping those pesky bugs away from your precious plants. Its leaves and oil can deter a wide range of pests, ensuring your garden remains healthy and vibrant. You can make a simple neem spray by boiling neem leaves in water and using the cooled liquid to mist your plants. This natural solution is effective and eco-friendly. But that's not all. Neem is also known for its skin-soothing properties. Its anti-inflammatory and healing qualities make it a popular ingredient in skincare products. You can use neem leaves to make a paste and apply it to minor cuts, burns, or skin irritations. This natural remedy can help reduce inflammation and promote faster healing. It's a natural way to promote healing and keep your skin healthy. Incorporating neem into your daily routine can provide numerous benefits, making it a true gem in the world of natural remedies. And finally, we come to the golden child of Ayurveda, turmeric. This vibrant spice, with its beautiful golden hue, is not only a culinary staple but also a medicinal powerhouse. You're probably familiar with turmeric's incredible anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a soothing balm for your body, helping to reduce inflammation and ease aches and pains. But did you know that you can easily grow your own turmeric right in your urban garden? It's true, turmeric prefers warm, humid conditions, so it thrives in pots that you can bring indoors during colder months. Just imagine harvesting fresh turmeric from your own backyard. You can use it to make delicious golden milk, add it to your curries for a flavor and health boost, or even dry it and grind it into a fine powder. The possibilities are endless. Growing your own turmeric is not only rewarding but also ensures that you're using the freshest, highest quality spice. Well, there you have it. 5 incredible Ayurvedic herbs that you can easily grow in your urban garden, even with limited space. I encourage you to try growing these herbs and experience the magic of Ayurveda in your own home. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Start small, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tiny backyard spaces with Farm Pro. Happy gardening!